All right, understanding the terms in term sheets. One thing that you want to make sure of is that you are in alignment with the investor. So we're doing Series A, but it's not a real Series A. We're just trying to protect the optionees. What I want to really impress upon you tonight is to challenge the norm if it's appropriate. So please look through that term sheet. Now that you really understand the VC term sheet, you can look and see, and also in the commentary I've said, we haven't included, for example, anti-dilution. Right? Everybody wants what everybody else wants, and no one wants what no one else wants. Everybody wants.